So I'm going to come over here and come over to the image, click here, and then what you have to do here is you need to use this part that says time and switch to the time of day that you want. Yeah, so I have a time of day, say something like late in the night, about this time of the day, and I want to change how much stars I have. What I need to do is I need to click at more and go all the way down to lighting, moon power, and then we can now play with how much intensity we want to give the stars. So now we have more stars, and now we can push this all the way down and we can have less stars. Now if for some reason you want to show the moon in your scene, let's see if we can locate the moon somewhere there. We can now play with how much phase we have with the moon. So we can make it a half phase moon, we can make it no moon at all, or we can just play with the moon coming out from the other side. Yeah, very nice stuff, very nice stuff. Now the GI, which means global illumination, is set to 1. You can actually increase the distance which you want to see the GI bounce, or you can just go through and just increase the GI itself. This may make your rendering a little bit slower, but at the end of the day it's going to give you much more nicer light bounces. This would work in situations where you have light around your scene and most probably in interiors. Other stuff we can look at is we can look at the shadows, and we can also look at the ambient occlusion. Yeah, if I come through and go over to this part where I have the shadow, I can choose to make the shadow blow out a little bit more, which makes it a much more softer shadow, or I can push it all the way down, which is going to influence how hard the shadow would look like. You can also go ahead and play with the ambience of the general lighting and look at how that suits your scene. And also we can also play with the sun and also see how it suits your scene. If for some reasons you want to get something much more photorealistic, you can also play with the white balance and so on. So that is it, guys. This is how you can play with your lighting inside of 2019. If you have questions about this, please drop them in the comments section below, and let's look at those questions and those comments. Hi, before you click the next video on the top right corner of the screen, if you like what you've just seen, click on the like button and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on notifications so that you get updates next time we upload a new video.